A $75,000 salary. Ask the internet, and the answer comes back fast. That's the 22% bracket. And 22% of $75,000 is $16,500. But when this exact paycheck pours through the real 2026 brackets, the federal income tax bill is $7,670, less than half the number everyone fears. Watch the pour, and you'll never worry about a raise again. Here's the machine. One salary, $75,000. Filing single, 2026 rates. Standard deduction. No tricks, no loopholes, no accountant. Part 1. The free slice. Brackets aren't buckets you fall into. They're slices, stacked like floors. And the ground floor is free. The first $16,100 of this salary is taxed at exactly 0%. That's the standard deduction. Now watch the money pour. The next $12,400 is taxed at 10%. That bite, $1,240. The next $38,000 at 12%, $4,560. And out of the whole $75,000, exactly $8,500, just the very top slice, ever touches the famous 22%. That bite, $1,870. Add up the bites, $7,670. On a $75,000 salary, that's an effective rate of 10.2%. So yes, you are officially in the 22% bracket, and you paid 10 cents on the dollar, which raises the question the break room always gets wrong. Part 2. The raise test. Your boss offers a $10,000 raise, and someone says, "Careful, that pushes you into a higher bracket. You could take home less. Watch what actually happens." New salary, $85,000. The bottom slices don't move, identical. Only the top slice grows. The new bill, $9,870. So the raise costs $2,200 in tax, 22 cents on each new dollar. And you keep the other $7,800. A raise cannot shrink your federal paycheck. The math has no mechanism for it. Old dollars never get retaxed. Part 3, the full stack. So who actually pays the scary 37%? Pour a $1 million salary through the exact same tower, all 7 brackets plus the free slice. And look at the bottom of the tower, the same free slice, the same $1,240 bite at 10%. The millionaire's first slices are your slices, identical dollar for dollar. The 37% rate only ever touches the money above $656,700. Total bill, $320,000. Effective rate, 32%. Even a 7-figure salary doesn't pay 37. Nobody pays their bracket. Everybody pays the stack. One caveat for the receipt. This is federal income tax only. Payroll taxes, state taxes, and your 401k are their own stories. For another simulation. Run your own numbers before you trust anyone else's. And subscribe for the next one.